Hello students, in today's session we are going to discuss about the inverse of matrix by inversion method. Let's see. Inversion method खूप easy method आहे विद्यार्थी, खूप easy method आहे. जसं एलिमेंटरी रो आणि एलिमेंटरी कॉलम ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशनने आपण इनवर्स ऑफ मॅट्रिक्स फाइंड केला. Same way you have to use the column transformation or row transformation for finding the inverse of matrix. Inverse of matrix, basically what is the inverse of matrix? Suppose A be the one matrix, there exists another matrix A inverse. With A be the matrix, there exists another matrix A inverse. The multiplication of these two matrices is I. Or A inverse A is equal to I. If you multiply that both matrix, we getting the multiplication is nothing but identity matrix. So we are going to start the inverse of matrix by inversion method. Let's see everyone. Solve following equation by inversion method. So the type of questions is asked in examination. X plus 2y is equal to 2. 2x plus 3y is equal to 3. Now we have to solve this equation by inversion method. It means that you have to find the values of x and y. You have to find the values of x and y. So matrix form of equation. Matrix form of equation is given by, what is the coefficient of x? Is 1, y is 2, this 2, 3. This is capital X, small x, small y is equal to the 2, 3. This is nothing but the matrix form of equation. This is nothing but the matrix form of equation. Now, this particular type of matrix form of equation, you are getting the values of A, x is equal to B, getting the A 1, 2, 2, 3. Capital X is small x, this y, and B is 2, 3. Okay. Now first we have to find the determinant of A. 1, 2, 2, 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1, which is not equal to 0. Therefore A inverse is exist. A inverse is exist. Now we know that A into A inverse is equal to I. Any matrix multiply with that inverse is getting I. So first we have to find the inverse. What is the A? Therefore A is nothing but 1, 2, 2, 3. A inverse I is 1, 0, 0, 1. Now we have to find the inverse by elementary rows and column transformation. You have to make 0 here, you have to make 1 here, you have to make 0 here. So automatic, in what we are going to do 0 and 1? Suppose R2 tends to the R2 minus 2 R1. So 1, 2, 2 minus 2, 0, 3 minus 4 is minus 1. 1 0 0 minus 2 this 1 as it is as either 0 असल्यामुळे okay. Taking the negative sign -1 into the R2 हा R2 मध्ये चेंज करू 1 2 0 1 1 0 2 -1 okay. How we can make here 0? R1 tends to the R1 minus 2 R2 R1 minus 2 R2 this 1 0 0 1 A inverse 1 minus 2 to the 4 2 to the 4 minus 3 0 minus minus plus 2 2 minus 1. So A inverse is equal to minus 3 to 2 minus 1. Okay. This is A inverse. Now we have to find the values of x and y. Now we have an equation ax is equal to b. We have an equation ax is equal to b. Ax is equal to b. We have to pre-multiply both sides by A inverse. So A inverse A into x is equal to the A inverse into the b. दोनों साइड को प्री मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया A इनवर्स में, दोनों साइड ला प्री मल्टीप्लाई केलं A इनवर्स में. So what are you getting? A into A inverse, you getting I into x. What is the A inverse? Minus 3 2 2 1. What is the value of B? 2 3. I into x is x is equal to. Now we have to multiply this. This is order is 2 into 2. This is order of 2 into 1. Number of columns of first matrix and number of rows of first second matrix is equal. Then we are getting this multiplication 2 into 1. Okay. Minus 3 into 2. Minus 6. 2 into 3. Plus 6. 2 into 2. 4. 2 into 1. 3. So capital. What is the value of capital X? This xy is equal to 0, 7. On comparing, getting value of x is equal to 0. Value of y is equal to 7. 4 minus 3 आ जाएगा स्टूडेंट्स. 2 this is A inverse is minus 1 now. This is minus 3. You getting 1. So value of y is equal to. So in this way we can find the inverse of matrix. We are very simple and important steps. First one is write down the x plus y, both equations. These are both equations. Okay. First variable is always x, y. Don't take here y, here x. xy. Take in the form of ax is equal to b, abx, axb. Very important step that we have to find the inverse before we have to find the determinant of that matrix. Determinant find करायचा आहे. Determinant is not equal to 0. The determinant ची value 0 नसेल तरच तो inverse exist होतो. If there is a value minus 1, it is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. If the value is 0, then inverse never exists. Okay. Next. So we have a formula A into A inverse is equal to I. What is the formula? This A into the A inverse is equal to I. So by using this formula, by using this formula, A into A inverse is equal to I. Now we have to do the elementary rows or column transformation. In this matrix, LHS ला आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्स आला पाहिजे आणि त्या साइडला जो मॅट्रिक्स येईल तो रिस्पेक्ट टू इनवर्स असतो. इट इज द रिस्पेक्ट टू इनवर्स मॅट्रिक्स. ऑल ऑफ यू क्लियर? A into A inverse is equal to I असतो. A into A inverse I असतो. This is the inverse of matrix. Now we have formula A into capital X is equal to B. A into the capital X is equal to B. So this equation is equal nothing but AX is equal to B. Now there are two types of multiplication. Pre-multiply, post-multiply. Pre-multiply करणं म्हणजे पहिले मल्टिप्लाय करणं, पोस्ट मल्टिप्लाय करणं म्हणजे नंतर मल्टिप्लाय करणं. Suppose you are multiplying this A inverse दोन्ही साइडला मल्टिप्लाय केलं. We have a formula inverse into A is nothing but identity matrix. You getting the Ix is equal to this multiplication A inverse into B. So X is equal to this minus 3 first row, first column, first row, second column. Number of columns of first matrix and number of rows of first matrix are equal. Definitely it is the multiplication will be carried out, otherwise multiplication is never carried out. All of you know. So in this way we can find the multiplication. The order of the multiplication terms, this 2 into 2, the remaining is 2 into 1, 2 into 1, order is 2 into 1, this is 2 into 1. After comparing x का वैल्यू 0 आ जाएगा, y का वैल्यू कितनी है मित्रों? x का वैल्यू 0, y का वैल्यू कितना आ जाएगा? In this way you can solve more number of examples. Anybody doubts? If anybody has a doubt, you can ask me. Okay? Inverse matrix वर एक तरी सम बोर्डाला असतो. नेक्स्ट सम मध्ये तुम्हाला सॉल्व करायचा आहे. इट इज अ होमवर्क क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. You have to send me in the PDF format. X plus y is equal to minus 4. X plus y is equal to 4. Sorry. 2x minus y is equal to 5. This is first. This is second example. 2x plus 6y is equal to 8. X plus 3y is equal to 5. We have to solve this two equation. Anybody doubt? Then ask me. Okay. This is for homework. Now last question का आंसर आपल्याला x is equal to 0 आणि y is equal to 1 तर याचं व्हेरिफिकेशन कसं करतात बघूया. The equation is x plus 2y is equal to 2. 2x plus 3y is equal to 3. हे तुमचे दोन्ही इक्वेशन होते लास्ट एक्झाम्पलचे. x ची व्हॅल्यू 0 आली, y ची व्हॅल्यू 1 आली. पुट द व्हॅल्यू इनटू दिस इक्वेशन. 0 plus 2 into 2 2 2 into 1 2 is equal. LHS is equal to RHS. First equation is satisfied. Second number 2 into 0 3 into the 1 is equal to 3 3 is equal to 3. Both equations are satisfied. दोन्ही इक्वेशन सॅटिस्फाय झाले याचा अर्थ आपला आन्सर बरोबर आहे. If both equations are not satisfied, it means that your answer is incorrect. There are two methods of solving. First one is matrix inversion and second number one is a reduction method. रिडक्शन मेथड मध्ये आपल्याला उद्या शिकायची. त्याच्यामध्ये आपण एखादा मॅट्रिक्स अप्पर ट्रायंगुलर आणि लोअर ट्रायंगुलरच्या फॉर्मॅट मध्ये आणतो अँड वी हॅव टू कम्पेअर दिस इक्वेशन. Okay, everyone has to solve this equation as a homework and send me the homework in PDF format. Also, I am going to give the question miscellaneous to be question number second. This is homework for you. Okay, एक एक्झाम्पल समजलं तुम्हाला बाकी सगळे एक्झाम्पल व्यवस्थित सॉल्व करता येतील. कोणाला काही डाऊट असेल कोणत्याही स्टेप मध्ये त्यांनी मला ऑनलाईन कधीही विचारू शकता. ठीक आहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 miscellaneous 2b. Question number 2 is your homework. Maybe on tomorrow's session we are going to take the online MCQ test as well as maybe online your test on the topic matrices. ओके. थेअरी टेस्ट पण राहू शकते आणि तुमची MCQ टेस्ट पण राहू शकते. ओके. त्याच्यावरती क्वेश्चन कॉन्फर्म येतात. इट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट अँड इझी क्वेश्चन्स. ओके. आता पुढच्या सेशन मध्ये आपल्याला एक रिडक्शन मेथड शिकायची आणि त्याच्या पुढच्या सेशन मध्ये आपल्याला वर्ड प्रॉब्लेम बेस्ड ऑन द मॅट्रायसेस. These two topics are very important. Afterwards, we are going to start with part 1, part 2, differentiation. Okay, so we are going to stop here. Solve these two equations. Today we discuss about the inversion method. It is very important, very easy method. Matrix inversion method. Confirm questions are asked. Thank you.